Today, we're solving a super common and frustrating tech problem, a USB drive that suddenly shrinks.
So, you made a bootable drive, right? And now your huge USB stick thinks it's tiny.
Well, that software overwrote the drive's map, basically hiding most of its space from your computer.
But hey, the good news is your drive isn't actually broken. Let's get all that space back.
Okay, but first, a quick health check. We gotta make sure the drive itself is legit. These free tools are perfect for spotting fakes or any real hardware damage before we start.
Drive checks out? Awesome. Let's kick things off with Windows, where you've got a few choices.
See, there's a tool for every comfort level, whether you're a command line pro or not. We're going to use Diskpart. It's already built right into Windows, and it is super effective.
Okay, be really careful here. That clean command is permanent, so triple check you have the right disk.
All right, Linux users, your turn. We're going to use the classic utility fdisk to do the same job.
First things first, we've got to delete those old problematic partitions that are causing all the trouble.
Now that it's wiped clean, we'll create one big new partition that takes up the whole drive.
And to finish up, we just format that new partition so all of your devices can read it.
So what if that didn't work? Sometimes the drive needs a much more aggressive solution. This is basically the last resort, the nuclear option. So seriously, be careful with this one.
Yeah, DD doesn't ask, are you sure? It can and will wipe the wrong drive in an instant.
And this is super important. DD just erases things. You still have to go back and create a partition.
And there you have it, proof that with a little know-how, you can fix these things yourself.